welcome back to my channel. I'm here at Steven from Blonder Salon's home salon, and I'm gonna get my hair done. We have 22-inch Bellami tape-in extensions, and then we're gonna re-blonde me and all that fun stuff, and we're gonna show you how we do it. And that's how you get started.
This is what we're starting with. Nice roots. This is what we're starting with.
Okay, so we are putting the foils in to highlight my hair. Looking good.
Swella, Blonder.
Okay, so now is the point where we have all the foils in and we're waiting for my hair to process, and then we're gonna wash all the bleach out and then, you know, go from there. Okay, now we have Goldwell toner in my head.
Already. Hair color's done. Getting ready to drop extensions in.
We got all the hair laid out, ready to put in. Oh yeah. Alexa, play Trap Queen.
Play Trap Queen.
Yeah! I am back at home now. My hair is finished. I am absolutely obsessed and in love. So let me show you guys like where a track is in my head so you guys can kind of see what tape-ins look like. So looks like that. So that's like kind of what they look like, and you sandwich them together between your hair, and yep, it stays. So anyways, thank you so much to Steve from Blonder Salon, and thank you so much to Bellami for the beautiful 22-inch tape-in extension. Ooh, hit you with the angles. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you, Steven. Thank you, Bellami Hair. Like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.